It's Denise, and I am continuing to work at getting my house ready for spring. And as I do that, I am participating in various challenges that help me with my spring decorating. So in this video, I am participating in Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime, her Spring Cloche Collab. So if you want to see what I've got going on and what the heck is a cloche, keep watching. I am so ready for spring, and if I can't get it outside, I'm certainly going to try to bring it inside. So when Kimberly Davis issued her challenge for us to create a spring cloche collab, I was all over it. So now, what is a cloche? Well, let me show you. A cloche is something like this. It has a base and it has a dome. Many cloches are completely clear, top and bottom. They can have all different kinds of bottoms, whatever, but there's a base and there's a dome. And I've been wanting to use this little beauty right here for quite a while. I picked it up thrifting, but I've never quite been able to figure out how to use it because it is relatively small. And I decided it would be perfect to use for the Spring Cloche Collab because wherever I put this, I want it to be somewhere that it doesn't take up a lot of space. But then the hard part was I had to find something small enough to go in it. So where did I go? Pier 1, of course. Let me show you what I found. The first thing I saw was this, and I fell in love with it. But I realized it would not go in this cloche. It was too tall and too wide, but I still had to bring it home. You'll see this somewhere this spring. And then I saw these. Are not these two little birds absolutely adorable? And actually, they're salt and pepper shakers, and they're sitting on a little wire nest, but I just thought, oh, these are perfect to build my vignette around. So there's those. So then I picked up this little greenery, and this is going to be the base in the cloche. And I picked up this beautiful napkin ring. Is this not adorable? And I thought I would just build a little beautiful little floral arrangement inside up here. So let's get it started. Now the first thing I'm going to do is put this little greenery here at the base. And this was just $1.99 at Pier 1. So I would put that there. And then I'm going to put these sweet little lovebirds right on top. And these were $14.95 at Pier 1. And I'm just going to set them there just like that. And this napkin ring was $4.95. And I'm going to remove the ring, but keep the flowers. So that's how it's looking right now. Now all I need to do now is put the dome on it, and it's going to be kind of snug because like I said, this is small, but I want it small. And there you go. Now there's my little cloche. Now where's it going to live? Well, it might go in one of two different places. I'm thinking I want to put it on my buffet in the dining room, but I'm also thinking I want it on the coffee table in the family room. We'll start out with it on the buffet and we'll see how that looks. So here it is on the buffet in my dining room. I am so pleased with the way it turned out. The little white birds perfectly pick up the white in the soup tureen and in the plates. The greenery picks up the green in the plate that's behind my Rae Dunn little eat plates. And it's just perfect for where I needed it. I wanted something small, and that's what I've got.